Hello everyone, this is Joy. Today I'm gonna show you how to wind the bobbin of Singer sewing machine model Touch-Tronic 2001 memory machine. To wind the bobbin of this machine, it is recommended to start the machine on a moderate speed by pressing this switch on the middle part, and that's the moderate speed, and then that's the blind stitch symbol, and the red light would come on the top, and then the pattern repeat symbol, and raise the presser foot, raise the take up lever to the highest position by turning the handle towards you. And this machine has a low bobbin indicator, the red light here. If this light comes on, meaning that the bobbin thread has been used and needs to be rewind. So to open this, slide the plate towards you, move the bobbin lots to the left, and remove the bobbin on the rim by your finger. So this bobbin has a thread slot here with two rings, the inner ring and the outer ring. So when you wind the bobbin, the thread should not exceed beyond the outer ring. And to replace the bobbin to the bobbin case, this thread slot should be on the top. And then move this bobbin lots all the extremely to the right, and then this needle thread should be under the presser foot on the left, and then bring this thread to the thread retainer on the front around the back, and latch this thread, and the machine will now ready to wind. Press the control speed of the machine, and the bobbin will start to wind. Once the bobbin started, this thread should be cut off. Now we can stop the machine because the thread is almost on the outer ring. Move this bobbin lots to the left. Remove the bobbin and then cut the thread. To replace this bobbin, we have to leave at least 3 inches of this thread outside, and then replace the bobbin. Move this bobbin lots, and then bring this thread to the number 1 slot here. There's a number 1 slot passing to the flat ring, to the second slot here. There is a number 2 here, and bring this thread over here. Then close the slide plate and hold this needle thread. Then hold this handle until the needle will enter the we have to cancel this first. To cancel this 2 light here, we have to press the straight stitch, and then hold the handle of the machine until the needle the needle will enter the bottom and will take up the bobbin thread up. So now the bobbin thread is up. Place this thread under the presser foot and diagonally at the back. So this is now ready to sew. So that's the way how to wind the bobbin of this sewing machine model Touch-Tronic 2001. If this video helps you, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.